y'all, I'm Alex. Today I'm super excited to do this video because the guys over at 2020 Armor sent me a couple of their Hogus to try out. Big thank you to them. I'm really excited to try out these games on them. They sent me 2 of them. I've got one up here on Bob already, and then I've got another one right here in the box. So basically they have 1-player games and 2-player games that you can do. So today we're going to test out some of the games on the 1-player and the 2-player. Really excited. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so let's go ahead and power up this Hogu right here. So basically all of the game options and settings are right here up on the top. And I believe this blue button is how, obviously you can power it on, but you can change which game setting it's on. The red one is for the weight, and then basically the yellow one over here is for the time limit. So you can set different times for how long you want to do the game. And the green one starts it up. First, we are just going to try out some 1-player games on Bob. I think they have quite a few different ones. We'll probably start with like one of the reaction ones and go from there. Alright, the first game we're going to try is their reaction or their reflex game. They actually have a 2020 Armor app as well, and it gives you kind of feedback and some stats. So we're going to sync that up as well here with the Hogu. So basically whenever it lights up, you have to kick it as fast as you can and react. So let's try this one out. Next, we're going to try this function called heartbeat. It's like a stamina thing. So basically, I think we just have to keep kicking it to kind of keep the lights alive. So let's try this one. Sounds like it's going to be tiring. Next up, we're going to try the power one, or like the hit meter, I think is what it's called. We're going to record on the app the power. Alright, now we're going to try the 2-player game, which we're going to do the energy scoring one. So basically we're going to be doing a little bit of light sparring, and apparently there's supposed to be like health bars, and if we hit each other it goes down kind of like a video game. So let's go ahead and sync up. So hit the green button, and red player, blue player. Oh, that's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm going to do a couple little test shots so you can kind of see. So if I go light, again. There we go. So as you can see, it kind of goes down every time I hit it. So now we're going to move around. We'll kind of play around with this a little bit. Just like if we're sparring. And I win. So that 2-player mode was pretty cool. We had it on the energy scoring with the health bars. I think that was pretty awesome for that sparring game. Overall, I think this is a really cool training device. We didn't really play with all of the modes, but so far it's pretty cool, especially if you're just by yourself. You just throw this on Bob. There's a lot of really different modes that you can do to help you with your training. So I think this is definitely going to be something I use in my future training sessions, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Once again, big shout out to the guys over at 2020 Armor for sending these to me. I definitely plan on using these a lot for sparring and for training in the future. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I do hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. If you guys want to train with me online, visit alexwongtkd.com for more details. Once again, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you later.